What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder and a complaint of the windows not working. Let's check it out. Now that we have the door panel off, we can further check out the problem. By the sounds of it, the regulator doesn't sound too healthy. That may be our problem. As you can see, the cable that rides on the regulator is starting to unravel and will soon break, not allowing the window to move at all. Now with the new regulator, she's working nice and smooth.